I needed to put a square hole in this door handle plate. And so I'm going to use a broach, but the material is only a 1/4 inch thick. Most broaches have minimum thickness, length of cut. This particular broach is a 5/16 broach, and it's got 3/8 minimum depth of cut. So just trying to broach this would be a problem. The teeth are going to want to jump, and you're going to end up elongating, enlarging your hole slightly. So to alleviate that, and also to make sure I had the hole in proper registration with the part at all times, I made a little fixture here, machined in, milled in a slot, put a front plate on here, and then went ahead and bored that out to the pilot diameter of the broach. With the fixture being long like that, it actually provides a engagement of the broach, so that as the broach is coming through the part, even though the part is thinner than the length of cut recommended for the broach based on pitch diameter, there's still support for the broach. Therefore, the broach does not tend to wander off at all, and it keeps it on track. Fixture it so that the part that I'm broaching sits in here on center with that slot. And I've got a top plate put on here to guide the broach. And so now when I put this in the arbor press, I insert the broach into the hole, the beginning of the hole, and bring it down so it's seated in the fixture. Make sure it's lubricated well. That provides a square hole that is right on center with the part. This is a test fit, and that's all there is to it.